I tell all of my students that one of the big ideas of calculus is to make an approximation and then take a limit of that approximation. So probably the first place you see this is when you learn about the derivative. So you start with the slope of a secant line between a and a plus h. You let h tend towards 0 and you get the slope of the tangent line f prime of a. And this leads you immediately to the limit definition of the derivative. Next up, you see it in integration when you're trying to find the area under the curve. So you start out by approximating the area with a bunch of rectangles. Then you take the limit as the number of those rectangles goes to infinity, giving you the actual area. And that gives rise to the definition of the integral via a limit of Riemann sums. And next up, you probably see it when you're looking at infinite series. So the sum of a series is defined as the limit of the partial sums. So the partial sum with a large value of n can be thought of as an approximation. And then we take a limit of that approximation. And so that leads to the definition of the sum of a series. Now, where else does this limit of an approximation come about in calculus?